How's it going, guys? I'm Stephen Crichton and you have stumbled across Crighton Pet Services page for dog walking. Join us on Monday the 8th of August, the 8th of the 8th, and it's the morning walk, which means I'm out with the little guys and split the dogs by sort of size most times. And we've got 6 dogs out today. We've got, you know, Charlie, Ruby, Maggie, Barney, Juno and Elsa up ahead. Stay with us, we'll show you all the fun and all the things that we get up to on our walk this Monday. Don't miss out on a little bit of water time and also Juno climbing higher than I've ever seen her do before on her own without being asked. Brilliant fun. Highlights coming up next, then a bit more in depth after that, so stay with us and remember and subscribe. Maggie, you looking for someone to play with? Maggie, you trying to play with Barney and Juno? Come on, Trouble. Good girl. Well done. Good girl. Oh, Barney. Barney. Hello. Hello, guys. Everyone's had a biscuit. You're not getting any more than anyone else. Aha, what have you just realised? Yes, this is what Barney's got a stick. Is that why we were all interested in Barney all of a sudden? Good, Johnny. Good. Good, you guys. Good stop. Come on, Barney. Good boy. Hello. Elsa, you coming back over? Where's that step? Where's that step? I see. I know, absolutely. How did you get up there, sweetie? How did you get up there? How did you get up there? Clever puppy. You okay, Maggie? You're alright, sweetie. Just about the van. Good girl, sweetie. Well done. Thank you, Trans K9. Yes. Alright, guys, that's us wrapped up for another walk. The dogs are in the van and I'm just off to the bin to get rid of my rubbish. Hope you guys have enjoyed our walk. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.